Hello guys, join us today as we uncover a gem of the Yucatan Peninsula. This is a guide to the island of Holbox. Holbox, a small island located just off the northern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. It's a paradise waiting to be explored and is known for its laid-back atmosphere and untouched natural beauty. This island is a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of places like Cancun. One of the most magical experiences on Holbox, and something we never got the chance to see, is the bioluminescence that lights up the waters at night. And through a camera lens, it looks something like this. Let us not forget the culinary delights that await you on Holbox. From freshly caught seafood at the beachfront palapas to traditional Mexican dishes loaded with flavor. And ice cream too. For the more adventurous types, Holbox offers an amazing opportunity to swim with whale sharks, Back on land, visitors can enjoy leisurely walks along the beach, maybe taking a few cocktails at a beachfront bar, or just simply bask in the sun. One of the most enjoyable experiences on Holbox is just simply taking a stroll around town. As you walk around the downtown, you'll be greeted by colorful street art adorning the walls of the cafes, shops, and bars. There are tons of little shops selling local handicrafts, beachwear, souvenirs, perfect for those looking to take a piece of the island home with them. Keep in mind, if you visit the island when it's been raining, you will have to deal with these giant puddles, and you may just want to do as the locals do and go barefoot.
Porfa, deja de llorar. Nada peligroso va a pasar. Me quedo aquí contigo y nunca te voy a dejar. Todas las pesadillas ya se van. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará. Oye, amorcito, llegó la hora de dormir. El hombre de arena aquí está. Y no te preocupes porque no vas a sufrir. Siempre estará contigo tu papá. Ya nada pasará.
Heading north along the beach, you'll find the Punta Mosquito sandbank. And don't let the name deter you, this is actually our favorite attraction on the island and probably one of the most beautiful spots in Quintana Roo. The sandbank consists of 3 separate sandbars that stretch along the coast of the island, and it's also known for its diversity of wildlife. There are so many different types of birds. You might run into flamingos if you're lucky, or even a garza blanca, and that's an egret. Schlepping, just a schlepping, dudes. Heading south to the other side of the island, you'll find Playa Punta Cocos. And this beach is relatively secluded compared to other tourist hotspots. Along the shore, you'll find several beach clubs where you can rent loungers, umbrellas, have some drinks, maybe some food. Well, I hope our travel guide to Holbox will help you guys out. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know all that stuff. Just do it. It won't even hurt. I swear it's easy.